must be seated and if possible using a window seat. Please maintain social distancing using all available space. Thank you. The bus has reached its safe limit. For everyone's safety, the driver has been instructed not to continue if there are too many people on board. You must wear a face covering at all times when using public transport unless you are exempt. Police and TfL officers patrol the transport network to enforce this. Seats are available on the upper deck. Please move upstairs. This bus terminates here. Please take your belongings with you. This bus is on diversion. Please listen for further announcements. The destination of this bus has changed. Please listen for further information. A customer needs the wheelchair priority area. Please make space. Please move down inside the bus. The next bus stop is closed. Closed circuit television is in operation on this bus. The driver will open the doors as soon as it is safe to do so. Please stay with your buggy for your child's safety. Customers are required to make space for a wheelchair user. The bus will wait while this happens. The driver has been instructed to wait at this bus stop for a short time to help even out the service. This bus is ready to depart. Hold on to the handrails when moving around the bus.
Kingsland Road, left Forest Road, right Queensbridge Road, line off route. Many thanks for that.